Well, Miss and Mrs. India Asia Pacific 2019 is a beauty pageant. It's a beauty pageant platform that every woman of India, whether married or unmarried, can avail. They can come here, they can showcase their talent, and if they are talented enough, we will select them, take them to Bali for their grooming session with the best experts of the fashion and pageant industry, and then we will groom them, get their portfolio done, and we will have the grand finale. So Miss and Mrs. India Asia Pacific is a beauty pageant. We are looking for beauty with brain, but it's not just a very basic pageant like the other pageants. We are looking for somebody who can continue the legacy of India Asia Pacific. Well, definitely it is very challenging for the judges because you see so many beautiful contestants are here today to compete for the auditions in Mumbai, and it becomes a little difficult for the judges to choose the best out of them. But we have to do the job, you know, that's a part of our job. The grand finale is going to happen in the month of November. By end of November, we are still yet to decide the dates, and the grand finale will happen in Bali, Indonesia. Right. Well, Miss and Mrs. India Asia Pacific is providing a platform not just to the winners but also to the finalists, all the 30 finalists, 15 from the Miss and 15 from the Mrs. category, and we'll be giving them platforms in Bollywood industry. We'll be launching them in many music videos. We'll be giving them a lot of assignments in the modeling industry, a lot of fashion shows, a lot of cover shoots, magazine shoots, and editorial shoots. Hi everyone, my name is Pooja Bimra, and I'm an international pageant coach, grooming expert, and the show director for Miss and Mrs. India Asia Pacific 2019, CEO of The Fashion Advocate, which is the pageant management for this pageant.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm Leslie Tripathi, actress.
And hi, I'm Ranjit. I'm a blogger and I'm a designer. And we are here today to judge these beautiful ladies who are taking part in the Mrs. and Miss India Asia Pacific 2019. And
It has been quite a great experience. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे टैलेंट्स इतने हैं, like you know, टैलेंट्स का भंडार है. We are having a tough time deciding किसको select करें because they are so confident.
Yeah.
And I think everybody is passionate about their work. Side by side, they are speaking so well. They are very well-spoken
and some
models.
of them are dancing so well, some of them are singing so well. And you know, India is known as the land of diversity, and these women are so diverse, they're so beautiful that it's really very difficult for Leslie, me, and the other judges to make a decision over here about who would go on to the finals in Bali.
But I'm excited to witness this challenge because we feel inspired. कहीं पे अगर हम थोड़ी सी भी धीमी चल रहे हैं, उनको देख के हम अपनी रफ्तार तेज कर लेते हैं ना.
True.
What quality you are looking for on the contestants?
I think India, as he said, India has the best of talents, and when we are sending this talents on the international level to represent India, वो तो पूरा award लेके आए, वैसे talent हम ढूंढ रहे हैं. And यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे टैलेंट्स हैं मिस एंड मिसेस में भी. सो हमें टफ हो रहा है. आई थिंक आप थोड़ा सा गाइडेंस भी दोगे तो भी हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा. ज्यूरी को भी थोड़ा सा सजेशंस चाहिए आपसे.
I think what we're looking for also is a lot of confidence because, you know, a lot of married women, they get so bogged down with their married roles of being a wife or being a mother or being a daughter-in-law that, you know, they kind of lose their individuality and their confidence somewhere down the way. And this talent helps them to find that and explore that and to celebrate it. And we're really looking to see that, and we are very happy with what you've seen so far.
Yeah.
Also we wanted to know कि मिसेस भी है, मिस भी है, तो मतलब कैसे आप लोग मतलब उसको स्पेसिफाई करेंगे या फिर उनके लिए कोई अलग कैटेगरी होने वाली है?
आई थिंक मिस का बिकॉज एक्चुअली वॉक तो सेम है एंड कॉन्फिडेंस भी सेम है. अगर हम अलग अलग कर देंगे हम जान नहीं पाएंगे कि कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल कहीं पे ऊपर नीचे ना हो जाए। और अच्छा भी ये लग रहा है कि कभी कभी हम भी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं मिस कौन है मिसेस कौन है। ये लेवल हमें चाहिए जाने के लिए, क्योंकि बाद में हमें पता चलता है ये मिसेस है, इनके बच्चे हैं। तो वो जो फीलिंग होता है कि अपने आप को इतना ग्रूम करके रखे हैं, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बरकरार है। और कुछ लेडीज़ ने जैसे कहा कि उनके ड्रीम्स थे, मे बी शादी के बाद चांस नहीं मिला, स्कोप नहीं मिला। ऐसे जो इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं, ये मिस मिसेस एशिया पैसिफिक 2019, ऐसे इवेंट्स उनको चांस दे रहे हैं कि आप आइए, अपना जलवा दिखाइए। एंड आई थिंक इंडियन वुमेन राइट नाउ आर एट द बेस्ट मोमेंट कि वो आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं। एंड ये आई थिंक पैजेंट्स उनको हेल्प कर रहे हैं।
Yeah, I think what this entire pageant does is celebrate the Indian woman. It celebrates her colors, it celebrates her talents, it celebrates her diversity, it celebrates her womanhood. And that's what I think we should look at more than whether she's a Mrs. or a Miss. But it's great that we have the Mrs. and the Miss over here, and they're both competing with each other, and may the best woman win.
आई थिंक यू कैन ऑल्सो टेल कि कौन 17 साल की है, कौन 40 ईयर्स की है। एंड इवन वेट में भी कितना डाइवर्सिफिकेशन हमने देखा है। कुछ 40 वेट की है, कुछ 70 की है, बट उनकी कॉन्फिडेंस बेस्ट है। एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी केयर। हमें वेट से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, हाइट से लेना देना नहीं है। वी वांट कॉन्फिडेंट women to represent India. So we are here to bring the best woman, best girl to represent India.
I feel that every girl is looking so damn beautiful. They all are so confident. So I just want to see who wins the Asia Pacific, and let's see क्या होता है.
Whoever wins, but confidence level should not get down. Opportunities बहुत है इंडस्ट्री में, ऐसा नहीं है. After this pageant, you will not get work. I just want to motivate them that you can, you will. This is not the only pageant. If you don't win, and I'm supporting the misses a lot because after getting married, after getting age, they're still coming and they have the same confidence. So I'll mostly support them. Youngsters, they have confidence, but after getting married, some ladies they get nervous and all. But some are coming here. That's really great for me, and I would love to support them, and I would love to see who wins in the misses. Miss, so it's really cool.
Any of you upcoming projects you would like to share with us?
Yeah, I've done TV commercials. So right now I'm working on some web series, and we both are working on a project. The shoot is going to start in February,
And it's
but we can't reveal the title of the movie.
It's our Bollywood debut,
Yeah.
and I did one South movie, and that's our Bollywood debut. Doing it starting in February in London, and you guys will see you.
Thank you so much.
See you soon. Take care.
Hi everyone, this is Afreen Alvi. I'm a model and actor by profession. I've done a movie, couple of ads and TVCs, and I've started with modeling. I've done Amazon, Fashion Weeks, Runway Fashion Week, and so many shows. So what is the question of yours?
So what do you want to say about today's audition and how much it is challenging to choose one from all the names?
So I'm here to just this show called Mrs. and Miss India Asia Pacific, which is like very rare because इसमें Miss and Mrs. both हैं. And the best thing about the show, which I like, everybody is like pretty much confident and everybody is like walking like tigress, and everything is so good. And this is the best thing about the show. This show is all about like Mrs. and Mrs. both.
Like I asked to other judges what quality you are looking for.
So basically, I'm looking for the confidence level and attitude on the ramp because I started with my modeling. So I'll look forward for the walk and attitude and face expressions and how would they represent themselves.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Qualities, of course, someone who's more aspiring and passionate and someone who wants to really make a career in this field. I think that's what we are looking, and someone who's genuinely looking to do some hard work. Second, jury, of course, we have looked forward for a fashion blogger, fashion designer, and then we have a choreographer, Pooja, who's like an expert, internationally renowned. We have a director from Hyderabad who's again made like good movies. So we have different people from different backgrounds.
And of course, that Rodriguez.
Bravo. That's it.
Sir, you would like to add something? So what do you want to say about this pageant and how was your
He's
collaboration?
like the main whole and soul of this pageant, Rakesh.
Sir, tell us about your collaboration with both of them.
We basically are partners at Prestige Integrated Solutions, and we came up with this event looking for new talent and fresh, fresh talent from India and representing them on a world level. So
We'll
that
be
is our
going to
main-
Bali. We'll be announcing the dates, and we'll be announcing our celebrity judges soon with it. Yeah, we'll come back with
Whose
that.
idea was it to bring Mrs. and Miss together?
Actually, this
It
is
was a
second
collective
season.
decision. It was a team decision where we thought that let's come up with something new, not going with the same trend which has been happening from years to years. So we thought of something new and got Miss and Mrs. together.
Sir, anything you would like to add?
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
This is Percy Pestanji. I am having my own production house, Percy Pestanji Productions, and I am into naturopathy also, and BJP and etc. etc. And for this pageant, I can just say in one sentence that females are born to give back to the society. The impact, the qualities which were coming from inner of the soul, from inner of the pure soul, from the pious soul, that was seen today in each and every beauties. They were having the passion to just go up in the life.
Hi, I'm Delna Puniwala. I'm a holistic health guru and a lifestyle coach. I'm really delighted to be here today.
So, what do you want to say about this pageant and how much is it challenging for you to choose one from this many pageants?
Every pageant is wonderful, but what is most important that I look out for is beauty with brains.
Hi, my name is Soma Mangnani. I'm an actress and I'm known as the Dhol Jagino Da girl. I've done lots of Punjabi music videos. I was launched by Priyadarshan as the main lead in a movie called Lesa Lesa quite a few years ago, and now I'm a sculptor and I'm a painter. First, I'd like to congratulate all these girls. It takes a lot of courage to come in front of so many people and to put yourself forward and to be judged. I thought each and every girl was beautiful for just trying and coming forward and getting over their own personal issues. So I really congratulate Miss and Mrs. Asia Pacific 2019 for creating this platform. It's lovely because there's so many talented people in this country and a platform is needed, and I think Miss Asia Pacific is doing that. So I'd like to say all the best first to the contestants and to put their best foot forward and do their best.